You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're jumping into the really fascinating world of design. We're going to look at everything, from the tech gadgets, the ones right in your pocket, to some maybe surprisingly simple things that just make you smile. We want to kind of unpack the thinking behind it all, see what makes great design tick.
Exactly. And it's definitely more than just how things look, right? We'll see today it's about problem solving, sometimes even humor, and yeah, how it really affects business. It's pretty strategic stuff.
Totally strategic. Okay, so let's maybe kick things off with how design innovation is shaping both high-tech stuff and, everyday objects. Let's talk Google's new Pixel 10 lineup. Hearing some interesting things there, like built-in Pixelsnap magnets for better wireless charging alignment, apparently, supporting those faster Key 2 standards.
Yeah, that alignment piece is subtle but important. Makes it less fiddly.
Right. And get this. The base Pixel 10, the standard one, might be getting a 5x telephoto lens. That's usually a pro feature.
Oh, interesting.
Plus, new AI features, Magic Q, Camera Coach, stuff to help you take better pictures or use the phone better in the moment. It feels like they're really focusing on these, small, clever improvements.
Well, what's fascinating here, I think, is how it points to this more holistic design philosophy. It's like hardware and AI software are really merging to make things feel more intuitive, almost invisible tech.
Invisible tech. I like that.
Yeah, and putting that 5x lens on the base model, that's a conscious design choice. It makes better photography more accessible.
Okay, so that's the high-tech end. But design can be completely different, right?
Yeah.
Super playful. Which brings me to this Ikea thing, a meatball plate. It's designed by Gustaf Westman.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
It's this, bright glue plate, and it's specifically designed to hold exactly 11 meatballs. Each one gets its own little spot, its own throne.
Ah.
A throne for each meatball. Love it.
Westman called it a playful homage to Swedish culture. It's quirky, but still feels kind of IKEA, It's accessible. And that's what's brilliant. It seems simple, maybe even a bit silly, but it's such smart design. It shows this deep understanding of, well, maybe not user behavior, but meatball behavior.
And meatball behavior.
But seriously, it tells a story, connects emotionally, reinforces the brand. It proves innovative design doesn't have to be complicated or techy. It can just be fun.
Spot on. That emotional connection is huge.
Okay,
so whether it's a phone or a plate, there's strategy behind it. And that leads us nicely into the more explicitly strategic side of design, especially with AI changing the game. Think about Adobe Acrobat Studio.
Right.
They're calling it an AI-powered PDF hub. You could upload 100 documents into these PDF spaces for AI analysis collaboration.
So AI does the heavy lifting on analysis.
Yeah, seems like it. Plus, customizable AI assistance integration with Adobe Express for generating images. It's $25 a month. This feels like a big step towards AI being a real, partner in design and productivity.
Absolutely. If you connect this to the bigger picture, this is AI changing the actual workflow. And that's why you hear more about design leaders needing to co-own business metrics.
Right, moving beyond just the user experience metrics.
Exactly. It's not abandoning user focus, but translating that design impact into things executives track revenue, cost savings, It's about building trust, showing design isn't just a cost center, but actually drives results, measurable results.
That makes sense. And speaking of results, that ties into something really crucial. The difference between user journeys and customer journeys.
Oh, yeah. Very important distinction.
Because the person using the product isn't always the person paying for it, right?
Yeah.
Especially in SaaS or B2B.
Precisely. The user interacts, maybe loves the features. The customer makes the purchase decision based on value, cost, ROI.
And if you only design for the user's delight, you could end up with a product everyone loves, but nobody buys, or at least not sustainably.
That's the biggest pitfall. Great engagement, terrible business. You have to map both journeys. How does the user experience it? How does the customer perceive the value and decide to pay?
So for you listening, the takeaway is design needs to nail both sides, right? The user engagement and the customer's willingness to pay for a product to really succeed.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Both are critical.
Okay, so we've got AI tools getting smarter, more focus on business metrics. It does make you wonder, what's left that's uniquely human in design?
That's the big question, isn't it?
What skills should creatives really focus on now, the things AI just can't replicate.
Well, AI is amazing with data, with patterns, but real innovation, empathy, asking those like weird, messy, insightful questions, that's human. It's about reading people, understanding culture, beyond just the data points, leveraging your own weird life experiences.
So leaning into the messy, unpredictable parts of creativity.
Exactly. Embrace the imperfections that break the patterns AI relies on and, build real relationships. Partner with AI, sure, but keep that human judgment, that final decision-making power. That's the edge.
That's really well put. So today we've gone from specific phone designs
Thistle 10 magnets.
to whimsical meatball plates,
Gotta love the meatball plant.
all the way to AI strategy, business metrics, and ultimately what makes human creativity irreplaceable.
Yeah, quite a journey. And maybe the thought to leave with is this. As design keeps evolving, the real challenge might not just be making cool products. Perhaps it's about truly understanding and designing for the constantly shifting human experience itself. In ways AI just can't grasp, what could that mean for whatever you're creating next?
A perfect thought to end on. Thank you so much for joining us today for this exploration. Keep looking around, keep asking questions about the design you see every day. Thanks for listening.
Spoken Tech for your ears.